Hello viewers, today we are going to solve NEET JEE question which has appeared in August 2021. So the question is, we have a AC source 10 sin omega t connected in series with a diode, a load resistor and a DC source with polarity like this, plus minus 3 volts. And we have to find the voltage across RL, V out. Now this diagram can be redrawn like this. So this 3 volts can be drawn like this. Both the diagrams are same. Now what happens is, we have already 3 volts DC. That means 3 volt DCC is this point. So it is 3 volts. On top of it, these two are connected in series. So the amplitude is 10 sin omega t. That is, this is 3, this is 13. So 13 minus 3 will give you an amplitude of 10 volts. So from here to here it is 10 volts. So if the diode is not there, we will be having a waveform like this, okay? But since we have a diode, we all know that it conducts only during positive off cycle. Now what happens is, when the AC source for the positive off cycle, it goes like this, and when it reaches 0, so this point is 0, but when this is 0, you have 3 volts. This 3 volts is in series, therefore the diode will conduct. Okay, so it starts conducting, and when the amplitude is minus 1, so basically the waveform goes like this. So positive cycle, no need to worry. For the negative cycle, when it is minus 1 plus 3 volts, which is 2 volts, once again diode will conduct. And when it reaches minus 2 plus 3 is 1 volts, diode will conduct. And minus 3, so this voltage is minus 3 and we have plus 3 here. So both will cancel and you will get 0. That means the waveform will conduct like this. It goes up to here and stops here. And below that it won't conduct, and once again it will conduct like this. Okay, so the output waveform will be like this. So the idea here is, once this sine wave reaches 0, so when it becomes 0, what happens is, even though this is 0, you have this voltage. Both will cancel out only when this sine wave reaches minus 3 and this is plus 3, both will be 0. So at that point it won't conduct, so you will get 0. And once again it will start conducting, because the sine wave goes and it goes above this value. When it is minus 2, this is 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1 volt, 1 volt positive, therefore diode will conduct. In this explanation, what we have assumed is that we have considered diode as an ideal diode. Ideal diode in the sense, there is no voltage drop at all. When it is forward bias, it acts as a short circuit, and when it is reverse bias, it acts as an open circuit. Therefore, the output waveform at the load resistance starts from 3 volts, goes to 13, comes back again to 0 at this point. Negative, it won't conduct. Once again it starts like this. Okay, so that's the idea about this question. Basically we can think as this as a biased clipper. Basically this negative off cycle has been clipped, so we can treat this waveform as a biased clipper circuit. Biased clipper circuit, because the negative clip, this portion has been removed because of this 3 volts DC source. So that's all about this question. The correct answer is, this waveform goes up to here and comes back like this. Hope you have understood this problem. Thanks for watching. Nandri.